Okay, today was a great day, the second day of the Hungarian Bara with 4 stages, 2 of 80 kilometers and 2 of 57. Navigation is okay, but you know it's a lot of information to give to the pilot, because we have an indication each 300 or 400 meters. So at the end you are talking a lot. And it's hard for the pilot to be focused on the track and also listen the advice from and the indication coming from the co-pilot. But we did a good job with Dania, and she was very efficient today. She learned very fast, and we have 2 loops. Today we had 2 loops. We did the first one and good rhythm, and the second one was better. So she's improving every day, and it's a very real pleasure to be to her right side in the car. And by my side, it's also good for me, as usually I'm the head manager of the competitors for the Dakar. It's good for me to become competitors, to be on the competitors' side and to understand what the competitors have to live and to succeed in a way to finish the rally. So it's good for me to come back in this side, to also improve our organization and all what we have to do to satisfy the competitors.
What can you say about navigation and road book?
Navigation is not too hard here, you know. The landscape is very stony, very rocky, with a lot of danger 2 and 3. So we have to be very aware about what we have to give for information to the pilot. Not too speed. So at the end it's more technical than speed. So it's a very nice school for a pilot to improve the technique and the driving. So in this race we don't have any GPS on the car, so we are only with the TerraTrip, so we are working only with the kilometers. So it's old-fashioned, because on the other race usually we have GPS and we have navigation with the GPS, which is not the case. So it's good for me, because like this I have to focus just on one equipment, which is the TerraTrip, and none 2, because usually we have 2 equipment, GPS and TerraTrip. So that's it. So it's okay. For the Dakar you have the unique 2 as a GPS to help the driver with the waypoint that you have to valid, and the GPS give you also indication to pass through safety points. So it's very useful, but also because we have navigation off-road, you know. Here it's not off-road, it's only track. So it's the reason why GPS is not very useful here, you know. But it will not be able to be the same things for the Dakar, you know. With the off-road section, it's impossible without GPS. And also for the safety, which is very important.